as diners can adjust the flavor of their lamb by adding the desired amount of sausawan. In recent years, Philippine cuisine has been gaining recognition on the global culinary stage, with Filipino chefs and restaurants receiving acclaim for their innovative interpretations of classic dishes. This has helped to introduce Philippine cuisine to a wider audience and promote its rich and diverse flavors to the world. Overall, Philippine cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, colors, and textures that showcases the country's cultural diversity and culinary creativity. Overall, Philippine cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, colors, and textures that showcases the country's cultural diversity and culinary creativity. It is a cuisine that is worth exploring and experiencing for any food lover. In addition to its unique blend of flavors, Philippine cuisine also has some interesting culinary traditions and practices. One such tradition is the practice of kamayan, which involves eating with one's hands, particularly for communal feasts or special occasions. Another interesting aspect of Philippine cuisine is the use of various condiments and sauces to enhance the flavor of dishes. Some popular condiments include patis, fish sauce, suka, vinegar, and bagoong, fermented fish or shrimp paste. Filipino cuisine also has a strong emphasis on rice as a staple food, with rice being served as a side dish or as the base of many dishes. In fact, the Filipino word for rice is kanin, which is often used as a synonym for meal. In recent years, Filipino cuisine has also been influenced by global culinary trends, with fusion dishes and innovative interpretations of classic dishes becoming increasingly popular. In recent years, Filipino cuisine has also been influenced by global culinary trends, with fusion dishes and innovative interpretations of classic dishes becoming increasingly popular. This has resulted in exciting new flavors and culinary experiences that showcase the creativity and adaptability of Philippine cuisine. Overall, Philippine cuisine is a rich and flavorful reflection of the country's diverse cultural heritage and natural resources. Its unique blend of flavors, culinary traditions, and innovative practices make it a cuisine that is both fascinating and delicious. Street food is an integral part of Philippine cuisine, and it is a popular way for locals and visitors alike to experience the vibrant and diverse flavors of the country. Street food in the Philippines is known for its affordability, variety, and unique flavors. One of the most iconic street foods in the Philippines is the barbecue skewer, which is often made with pork, chicken, or beef and is grilled over hot coals. One of the most iconic street foods in the Philippines is the barbecue skewer, which is often made with pork, chicken, or beef and is grilled over hot coals. The skewers are typically marinated in a sweet and savory sauce and are served with a side of vinegar dipping sauce. Another popular street food is isaw, which are grilled chicken or pork intestines. The intestines are cleaned thoroughly and then marinated in a flavorful mixture before being grilled to perfection. Isaw is often eaten with a spicy vinegar dipping sauce and is a popular late-night snack. Other popular street foods in the Philippines include fish balls, squid balls, kwek-kwek, hard-boiled quail eggs dipped in orange batter and deep-fried. Taho, a sweet and silky soy-based dessert, and balut, a fertilized duck egg that is boiled and eaten with salt and vinegar.